So this is the main, I want you guys to try this, to start with trying this game, because this whole tool is just to make very easy for us creating very interactive games to help students learn the language. So the one you guys were playing right now is, let me show you. It's called Open the Box. So let's backtrack a little bit. I'm going to show you how to make that game. So if you get into Wordwall website, you can do it now if you want to, just on the side of the, the Zoom window. You can sign up for a free account with Gmail. The free account is pretty good. You still have, so if you sign up for a free account and then you do create activity, right now my green shows gray. It's because I have already used 3 types of activities. I'm not allowed to use anymore because I have a free account. And then if you upgrade your account, you can get more, of course. But if you just get your new account, you can choose 3 activity templates from all this. I think there are 18 altogether. The one you guys were playing is called Open the Box. So I'm gonna go in here, my activity, and then I'm gonna show you how did I make this. It is very intuitive. So you put activity title. Okay, so if this is maybe a little bit confusing. So if you have a brand new account, you go in there, when you click create activity, you will just have like the 18 available template pop up. Then you can just choose them. And then you get into the added content page. You put a name for the activity title, and then you can do questions. What's good about this tool, this website, the questions, you can do pictures. So before you put in the picture, you are just like a picture gray icon, and then you click on it, you can remove it. So if we look at this right now, if you're gonna want to redo this question, I want to do picture, I just click this add image, right? And then you can choose which size you want, and then you can just search image online. I think I did Mickey Mouse. Then you hit enter, then you choose an image, click on it, you will just put into the question. And same thing, you can also do answers with picture exactly the same way. You click on the picture icon, put in pictures. You can also do recording. So if you're, this applies for pretty much all the templates in this website. You can also do recording too. So you can click on this microphone, and then you can add sound, just generate like an AI sound. This look like, let's see. So if I just put Mickey Mouse in there and then English female, I can do generate.
Mickey Mouse.
Can you guys hear it? But it does work. If you guys cannot hear, it's probably because of the setting on my Zoom. But you will generate an AI sound, or you see here, you can upload your own audio from your computer. And I'm gonna stop here for really quick because I want to give you a tool that you can, it's a very simple way for you to record anything for your teaching activities. So if I'm gonna send this link in the chat. You guys can save it. So this one, I want to show you, suspicious. It's a very handy, simple voice recording tool. you know, like no ads, nothing like extra. You just go in there, you click on this button and then you record. Here, you allow the microphones, test, right? Records it, and then you can save or you can share. So it's very easy. This can be a pretty neat tool too. Okay, let's go back to this. So this is the back end of the box game. And I'm just gonna be saving it. So how did I share with you guys with the QR code is you go to, after you finish your activity, you'll give you the preview. You go to here, click share. So you can have two different kinds of share. You can share this page, which is make it public. So anybody who are in the community of this website can view that page, or anybody has the link can view. Or if you wanna do like what I did, be able to collecting result from your students, you can set this activity as assignment. So you'll click on this. You can give your result a title, and then enter, you can ask your student to enter the name or not. And you can put in a deadline at the end of game. What do you wanna show your students? You wanna show answers, or you wanna do like creating a competition, do a leaderboard, or you can just have it start again, giving them the choice to start again. So, and then if you click start, it will give you quite a few ways to share this game. So you can copy this link, put in LMS, you'll be in, or you can click the embedded code, put in LMS too, or you can just do what I did before, a QR code to have students be able to play on their mobile devices too. Okay, so now I want you guys to try one more game. I did 3 games to give you guys an example. So let's try this one. I don't want to publish it. I just want to share. There you go. We can do the date today. Okay, now if you can get your phone out, let's try play this game. Okay. Ooh. So it's actually pretty like the results come in really quick. I already see 2 people finished it. Ooh, okay, cool. All of you guys got them correct. Awesome. Yay. Okay. So if we're looking at the back end of this game, okay, I just want to show you although there are 18 different templates there we can use, but actually in the back end, they all look very similar. So so I don't need to show you guys like one by one, because if you go into the back end to create this activity, basically it's just you'll see like a text box, and then you can add a picture, add audio, and depending the template, sometimes you'll have place to put like answer choices in there, and then choose correct or wrong. For example, there is one more, this one. Okay, like this one. Oh, well, yeah, this one, actually, I want you guys to try to play it first, and I'll show you. This will be the last one. I'm doing demo today. After this, I'll send you guys in the breakout room, and then you guys can play with it. So I'm gonna give you guys do one last game. Go. There you go. It's like an English test for you guys. And don't worry about the language, because it's a very open like a very generous back end. So basically any text, image, audio will be okay. Like I tried it with Chinese, it display the Chinese very well. It doesn't just give me those like squares. So I would encourage you guys, when you go back to your breakout room, you can try with your own target language. If you guys were my students, you guys were doing awesome on those quizzes. All 100% correct. Almost done. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how to make this, because this one is a little bit different than the other ones I've showed you. Okay, let's go back into the back end. So this one is called complete the sentence. So of course, like what I did, I didn't do one sentence. I just did like a whole paragraph for like a grammar exercise or like verb exercise. But of course, you can add maximum, you can add 100 different pages. So what I did is, if I start over, I create this text, copy, paste in here. Now I wanna pick out the keywords from this text to leave a blank so the students can fill in. So you just click add missing text. You can enter, but the quickest way is you just click and highlight a word and then click add missing text. It will just do it automatic for you. So you do, if I do want found, I'll do that again, right? And then also you can add incorrect answers to like confuse students. So again, the same way, you can type it in or you can choose some from here. So that's the only a little bit different than the other ones. Okay, so now I want send you guys in breakout rooms. Let me see, how many do we have? 12.
Three.
Yeah, yeah.
I got it
So
ready.
yeah, awesome. Thank you. So three of you will be in a group. What I wanted to do is I'll give you guys maybe like 20 minutes, then you can like play around making different games and stuff. But when we come back to the big room, I'm wondering if like your group can show us like one game that you made that, you know, well, of course, like if other group already made it, then you can choose a different one. Then if like all the ones you did already been presented, that's okay. But just keep that in mind. I'm gonna send you guys in.
I got it ready, Sue.
Okay, cool, awesome. Thank
And
you.
how long will they be in breakout rooms?
I would say like 20 minutes because I want you guys to try different templates.
Okay.
Mhm. Cool. Everybody's back. Before you guys show the game you made, I wanna show you guys a couple of tips. So we have three templates, right? Then you use three templates, but like you want to switch up and it's doable. So if you go back into your Mac activity area, you click on one of your games on the right side, you will see switch template. And then the ones available just means like the system can automatically switch for you. So for example, I want to change this one, the same content, but as a spin the wheel. I'm going to click on here. It will just automatically switch by itself and then put like the text in the right places. And then you have another template. So like the three templates is like you can switch them, like you can kind of recycle in them as how you like. And one more thing, basically for all the free template, if you go, not this one, let's try this one. For some of the template, if you go down, like when you create edit, that's just in the edit. So after you edit it and then you save it, you go out and here, down here, you can actually change up the visual style for your game. It's just like, you know, for fun. You can try all of them. You can change the font. You can also have customized settings for your game. You know, like how much time do you want the answers, the items to be random? Like what do you want to show at the end of the game and stuff like that. And then you can, if you're happy with the template, you can save that one as the default template, or you can just, you know, you don't like the changes, revert to the default one. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna stop sharing. Any group want to share a game from your breakout room? We just want to see if you share it and everybody can see what that game looks like. It doesn't matter like what do you put in there as a content.
Sure, then we can share one. I mean, you've seen that one, but actually in the meantime, we ran out of time, so we have a question about one template.
Okay.
But all right, let me then share.
Cool.
Okay, sorry. So actually, I will show you the one that's complete, and then we had a question about this one. We picked the template, spin the wheel, and then we actually already took your advice, yes, you know, while you were with us in the room, and we went under it and we picked a different animation for it than what it was originally available. And then for this one, we just put in like I'm going to show the back end first under edit content, just, you know, random silly little questions like make it playful, you know, nothing too advanced. You see like the questions, and then obviously you mark what's the correct answer. We picked only three. So it's fairly simple to set it up, not really time consuming. And then you can see from here, it gave like a quiz show template to it. to make it, I guess more engaging. And every single time how this works, the student spins it. And then whatever it lands on, obviously it will list next to the yes, we also added photos, visuals. So then it gives you all the options. I know it looks very silly right now, but it's just the idea itself. And then when you guess the correct one, again, all the sound effects, and then you go back to spin again, and so on and so on. And then at the very end, you can also start it again. It also provides you with the answer key. And yes, what you showed earlier, once I move it down, you can switch between the visual styles and the fonts. And then it also provides you with a letter board if you check it at the setup. But one other thing that this little side menu here on the screen with the lines, this also helps us to either resume or start the game again. And then, yes, just so I don't hug the screen time from others, just very quickly here under activities, I don't know, maybe somebody else, we didn't get to finish the word order one. And actually the simple question is, once we started with something, how does the student puts it into order? Do I just highlight it? Oh, I see. I just have
they can move it.
Okay, sorry. Then that's all it was, and I hope it helped someone. Thank you.
Yeah, no, that's great. Yeah, they can. I think they can just like drag and move stuff.
All right. Thank you again.
Awesome. Thank you for sharing. That was pretty efficient. Any other game that your group did but we haven't seen yet?
Okay,
No.
so our group do the hangman. So
Hangman.
it's just so simple. Yes.
Yeah.
So I picked the one that said with the clue.
Mhm.
So you kind of use that as a definition, and you can put in your own target language too. I didn't have time to see what are the other options because I feel like this is a little too small. Even me, I have to really look into it. Maybe if the font is bigger and not so many choices like this. And
Did you have to enter those
no.
So they
You
have
just you just do by you put the word into that one. So let's do this. Okay. This one. So actually, this is what you do in target language and the clue. That's it. So simple as that, very easy, and then not time consuming at all. Yeah.
And then you were talking about the font. You can try when we go back to the game, like under there has like a font. You should be able to add the font size, maybe up there.
I think so too. Like
yeah, up there a little bit. Yeah, you can also you can play around. Awesome.
And
so when
also
you're playing it, do you just click you click the right words?
Right. So because Thai have the vowel either up, down on the side, so they will go with the main alphabet. So let's say if you pick the first one, I'll try. I cannot even find it because it's so small.
You can make
For
this
me, I'm like,
screen.
where is I don't know. Okay, let's say this one. They never said that's correct. So they won't even show you. It's like in the game show as well. Yeah.
Well,
so that's what it is. So not this one. So this starting.
Ah.
Oh, that's the one. So
Can you show some wrong ones? I want to see the little man.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. You can see. Yeah. Uh-oh. Oh, okay.
Oh, wow. That's interesting.
Looks like you can also make it full
There
screen. Does it make the font bigger?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can like zoom
Yeah.
in. That's interesting. Also, the hand means like start from the body. Like
Yeah.
body first.
Uh-huh.
Oh, Thank you for sharing. Do we have any other ones? One more, maybe? No?
I can share.
Cool. Yay.
Yeah.
Also,
So
if you have any tips, you can share with us too.
yeah. I was telling Leah if we have a chance, I want to show that. So
Mhm.
I can show the one I made. Okay. So this is the one I made. And this one is a find a match. I actually use this one for my today's students. So I give them the like a link. So this is my class notes. And then every day I have this one in my class. So every day I have a quiz, simple quiz like that. So they prepare for my class before they come. So they click here and we'll bring them to the quiz. So when they click it, it will look like this one. So they just have to find a match. So they have to find it because 这个城市的人开车开得特别快. So they have to find one. So I will just randomly pick one, the wrong one. How about that? You pick the wrong one will give you the feedback. Say, oh, it's wrong. 祝你新年快乐. Okay, so let's do like I wish you happy new year. This is the correct one. So they give them feedback right away. Yeah, that's the one I use today. I have a few hundred, several hundred. I use this for years. I really like it. So
you
Sue, I'm
have-
going to share this one with our teachers here. It's the most
Yeah.
useful tool I like. Can I share you how I use a Quizlet?
Yeah.
Grab that and
Please.
use this one to make one. How?
Yes, please do.
So I have, these are my Quizlet I made over the years. Like with pinyin, without pinyin. The reason I do that is because without pinyin, I can quiz them. So I would basically go to the one, for example, I'm gonna quiz them the vocabulary. So I click this one, I go into my Quizlet, then I come in here, I download the words. So you export, you go to the three dots, export, copy, and you go back to your, this one. Okay, let me give you a new one so that you get to see the whole process. Okay, go to my, see I use so often, it showed up here right away. Okay, so I'm going to just drop in. I already copied it, right? So I want to create activity. Go to match up. That's how you drop it in. So this is a quiz. Okay, so and then you put your cursor here, control and paste. So all the words will drop in within second like that. And then you can change the column, swap the column just like that. You can switch back and forth. So that's how you make the quiz so quickly. If you have quizzed it already. I really think it saves teachers a lot of time. Again, just like Sue was saying, you can change that to the quiz, multiple choice, make it easier, like that. And you say, oh, I want to have a different kind of a background. Like I have this one, like an animal one. Yeah, if you subscribe to this one, they give you more choices. Like the one I have 8,000 different ones. See?
So you have a pro account, right?
Yeah. I actually pay for it. I really love it.
Do you think
It's
it's worth it?
Yes, definitely.
Because there are a lot more pro templates that can be used for
I
more
can
advanced
show you. Yeah,
learners,
this is one
right?
I have. You were able to see?
Mhm.
Are they the same like yours? Pretty much the same, right?
Yeah, this is the same. I think those are the free templates. I think
Pretty much the
yeah, I
Yeah,
think they're
I
more
think the
pro
same.
templates. Yeah.
Yeah, and you can make more sets. Like you only have 3, right? But if you have pro account, you can do the unlimited one.
Oh, I want to show, if you don't mind, Linda,
I
can you go back? Oh,
Yes.
I was just gonna use
Oh,
your screen.
you
Just
wanna?
like, yeah, one
Yes.
thing. It's okay, I got it. I can do it here.
Okay, I can share back.
Okay, there. If
Yeah,
you go up to my activity,
yes.
yeah, I just want to show you guys, yeah, you already seen here, you can create folders to
Yes.
organize your stuff. And also it's great, the tip Linda showed us, like you can copy the Quizlet content and put them in there. If you joined us last month, remember I talked about how to use AI with Quizlet. So basically the basic idea is when you're doing game template on this website, if the back end is 2 columns, then you would just do this. You can ask AI do this, or you can copy from Word, from Excel, just copy and paste them. They will be just put in the right place, just one click. So
Yes, so I really want to thank you for this idea. It's such a smart idea. I use that ever since you mentioned that. So I will have a list of words probably created by AI, say that, oh, for IOR level 1. And I say add English, add pinyin. It's a long list. I really need 2 columns so I can put it in my like this game or Quizlet or this kind of thing. So I asked the AI according to what you were telling us last time. So they create 2 columns like that.
yeah.
I copy that because it's already in 2 columns. Copy, control and copy. Then you go back to your list one, and then you go back to your create my activity. Same thing, you just drop it in.
Yeah. And also, if you guys want to use one of those games for review, whatever, you can also ask ChatGPT, even just the free version. You can be like, I wanted to, because I tried it with AI. First, you can ask the AI if they know Wordwall. They will say they do know. And then you will be like, I want to do a review of past tense using the which template, just match up template in the Wordwall. I wanna the activity including those keywords or whatever. You just like give all this information to AI. AI will just create questions, answers for you, and then you can pick and choose. Like I like those ones because as long as you tell the AI what template you want to use, what's the topic. And then if you do have like a key grammar structure, key vocabulary, you just list it in AI, then AI will do the rest. It will save you a lot of time. Yeah, give that a try.
Good.
Yeah, awesome, cool. We are done today. I hope you guys get to use this wonderful activity website. It seems really fun. And then thank you so much, Linda, for sharing your tips with us. They're very helpful. Okay,